My father is a 92-year-old suffering from Parkinson's with significant tremors. This basically made his life a lot more independent and with a lot less depression. He now can manage independently and has a better quality of life. Much easier. He was homebound, suffered from depression. Now he lives a normal life. A lot less hospitalization. He used to have a lot more infections before he had the spanner. Now there are no problems whatsoever. He is able to move wherever he wants and is a much happier person. Seriously consider it. The catheter in the bag became quite a big problem for him. Now he doesn't even know that he has a stent or the spanner in him.